Where do animals live? Have you ever wondered where we animals live and take rest? Come, we will show you. I am a lion, the king of the jungle. I live inside a den. Look how big it is! We are the chimpanzees. We spend all our time hopping from one tree to another. I perched high on a tree branch. Can you see the nest on the tree? That's where I lay eggs and sleep. I'm a fish swimming in the stream. Water is my world, and I cannot live without it. At the bank of the stream is me, the crocodile. I live in water and on land. Don't disturb me. I'm sunbathing right now. I am a cow. Moo! I mostly live in a farm where I provide milk. I take shelter under a shed. I am a snake. I live in narrow holes and tunnels under the ground.
I am a cheetah. I can run very fast. We cheetahs are mostly found in grasslands and take rest under the trees. Whew. I am a honeybee sitting on a flower. I live inside a honeycomb, which has many cells.
Jungle Games Competition. It's a very exciting day in the jungle. They have arranged a sports day. They start with a running race. Charlie Cheetah wins! Cheetahs are so fast that it doesn't seem very fair. Izzy Impala wants to do a long jump competition instead.
But that's not fair. Impalas can jump really far,
says Holly Hippo. Holly suggests a swimming competition. She spins and whirls around in the water.
The other monkeys and I would much prefer some high bar gymnastics,
says Meg Monkey. The animals want to make the sports day fair and enjoyable for everyone. But how? Excuse me, says a butterfly who's been watching from a tree. Why don't you include all of the events so everyone in the jungle can join in? And that's how the Jungle Sports Day came to be. The cheetahs run, the impalas jump, the hippos swim, and the monkeys swing. The Squirrel Cafe. Stella and Sally have been collecting nuts all day. Now they can have a well-earned treat.
Phew! 10 lovely nuts! I'm all done for today,
says Stella.
Let's stop in at the cafe,
says Sally. Stella and Sally pop the nuts into their purses. Manuel, the cafe manager, stands behind his counter full of tempting tidbits.
I'll have a piece of walnut cake and almond milk, please.
Sally takes a few nuts from her purse and pays Manuel.
I'll have hazelnut slice and a pecan smoothie, please.
Stella takes some nuts to pay for her treats. Enjoy, ladies. You have earned it. Manuel smiles.
I think we'll be searching for nuts again, so we can buy some more of these nutty goodies. We need to earn our treats, after all.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel or KidCraze-TV